Hey guys, Leah here. I am so excited. I have some news to share. So I have been accepted on the Nicole Jones 911 design team. So Nicole and her son Josh create these printables that you can print out and cut. You can use them with your cutting machine, so your Silhouette or your Cricut or your Brother Scan-A-Cut. And they've designed all of these files, and they said, I think there's almost 1,000 files in the shop. Now, I've been scrapbooking only since March, but I fell in love with Nicole's designs right when they first started doing them. So I have many, many, many of them, and I use them all the time in my scrapbook layouts. They're so easy to use. And some of them are made for punches, and some of them are made for fussy cutting. But like I said, you can use them with your cutting machine as well. So from here on, I will be creating 3 videos a month. One unboxing video, so I'll show you what I got for the month to work with. And then 2 process scrapbooking videos. Now I do 12 by 12 layouts. I do some mixed media. I also do pocket pages and 6 by 12 pages and all kinds of things. So you never know what you're going to get with me, but we'll have fun doing it. So with that said, this is what I chose to work with for the month. Now, I am a new grandma. My grandson is now 16 months old, so I have Halloween pictures, and I'm going to have fun scrapbooking them, of course. So I chose some of the newest Halloween digitals. So I chose the witch's hat. Now these are in different sizes. So there's the small, the medium, and the large. And I believe this is 1.5, 1.25, and 1 inch, if you want to punch them out. These are the 2-inch bats. Aren't they so stinking cute? And they come with the Silhouette file, like just the blackout, and the details. Those both come in one file. And these are 2-inch bats. Then I got the assorted sizes of bats. Same thing, you get the blackout and the detail in the 3 sizes, 1.5, 1.25, and 1 inch. Then I chose the wood grain, the wood slices with the hollow heart in the middle. And these are also the same with the sizes, only this one I think might have more. So it's got the 1.25, 1.5, and 2 inch. And these just look like so much fun. And I went ahead and picked out some files that I hadn't purchased myself yet. So I got some of the new ones, and then I also got some of the foundation ones, she calls them. So I got some of the small banners, and what I did was I picked out only the assorted color files. So I have Pastel Paradise. This is Radiant Rainbow, Seasoned Spice, and Cozy Cafe, and I think this is my favorite color combination ever. Okay, so I got those, and then I got the small arrows, and I just love these things. So she has some at the bottom with words on them. Then you have outlined ones, polka dotted ones, striped ones, plain ones, more striped or outlined ones, and then more plain ones in all different sizes. And these are great for little finishing things. So I have apples and oranges. I have Cozy Cafe, Pastel Paradise, Radiant Rainbow, Seasoned Spice, and I believe this one is Summer Carnival. Okay, and then I have, now one of her very first files were viewfinders. I totally fell in love with them. And when they came out with the striped ones, I was like floored, and I hadn't purchased them yet. So I'm so glad I bought them. I picked them out this month. So there we have the apples and oranges, Cozy Cafe, Pastel Paradise, Radiant Rainbow, Seasoned Spices, and Summer Carnival. I can't wait to play with these. They are so much fun. And when I tell you that I've been downloading her files since she first started making them, let me tell you. When I was done picking out my design team files, I went back and I purchased more. So I purchased the fall words because, yeah, who doesn't like fall words, right? Any little words are good words. So all of the colors are here. Like, they're just stunning. Now, I print on thick cardstock, and I print in my Canon one. It's a Pixma something or other. And I print on 110-pound Staples cardstock, and it's fabulous. It prints beautifully. And I like it because it's thick and it holds its shape. So when you're cutting it out, like, you're not getting all, you know, warped and bent. But look at the colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I purchased those files, and then I also purchased, somewhere down here, some more of the medium grid. I think I bought the whole set of medium grid, but I ran out of printer ink. So I only have the oranges printed out. But I love these. Like, these are fabulous for little journaling spots and even background elements. And you know, I thought you could even go and print some of her labels onto these. So if you print them out with a grid, send them back through and print the labels on top, then you have gridded labels. So here is my stash, okay? The cameras, I absolutely love them. The letters, love them. I absolutely love these files. I have to come up with a better way to store them, but look at the pumpkins for fall and the acorns. Fall leaves. Oh, I just have way too much fun with this. Now, when I first started buying these files, I would take the time and cut them all out and put them in my color bags. I don't do that anymore. And trust me, it's I don't think it's worth the time. I have a harder time finding what I'm looking for. So here I have some of her small 1-inch. I'm just going to pull this out. So the 1-inch viewfinders. I don't know if you're getting a glare. And I also purchased some epoxy dots, and I stuck them on there after I punched them out. They're great little embellishers. Like, I absolutely love these. And then I also have some, so here's the labels. So this is what I'm talking about. All of these labels, you could send, like I said, send this through, print the grid, and then send it back through again and print the labels on top of it. How fabulous would that be? I saw somebody post on Facebook where they had wood grain paper and they printed the labels on wood grain paper, and they were absolutely stunning. What a great idea. But you could do that with the grid paper as well. All right, so that is my fun announcement and my unboxing. I am so excited. I'm going to have 2 more videos at least this month. One will be of, well, they're both going to be scrapbook layouts. But I'm going to play along with the challenge that Tulu has posted in the Nicole Jones 911 Facebook page. And there's a recipe for that. I don't know if I kept it. No, I don't see it here. But anyways, there's a recipe for a challenge on the Facebook page. And I'm going to play along with that in my first video. So you'll see that one on the 18th. And then I will also post on the 28th another scrapbook layout. And so my dates every month are going to be the 8th, the 18th, and the 28th. So I will see you again soon. Bye.